There's tons of old ACs out there. We wanted to find out who had the oldest. Once we found out who it was, we wanted to offer a free replacement for them.
Hello!
Hello.
We're super excited that you were our winner.
I've lived in this house since 2014. You probably have air that's not broken and have to use AC units.
Our winners of the oldest AC in the HV are right here in our hometown of Hyde Park. Almost 5 decades old their AC was. They were just telling us that they haven't had a real working AC in a few years now, so we're super excited.
You have a attic system and then there's an outdoor system. So both of those are getting replaced. We'll get started.
The second I was able to find the actual data manufacturing on this system, I couldn't believe how old it was. We are installing a 14-SEER comfort air handler and condenser, higher efficiency system, and ultimately going to improve the overall quality of air conditioning in their home.
Oh, everyone's very sweet. Oh, like helping us with other things in the house. It's very nice.
As privately owned business that we are, from Dave Stewart, we live here in this community, so we want to provide for it. We want this community to thrive.
I think it'll be a nice cool off this summer, and it has heat on top of that, so I'm very excited. So it does both heat and AC.
She's not going to have to worry about, on a 100-degree day now, whether her system's going to be able to keep up or not.
It took a while to sink in, but no, I found out I was really excited that we probably have air in the house.
Ultimately, it leads back to our core values. We live by them every day. I have utmost faith in my team who are always going to show up and do what's right for our homeowners and customers. It's part of our integrity.
I would recommend anyone, so they're really sweet. Very nice.